Building and reading numbers with the golden beads allows children to practice the place value category, reading numbers, making numbers. It's a great practice for that early learner, preschool through first grade. So I might give the child these numeral cards, 3,462. The child will know that they need to go get 2 units, 6 of the tens, 4 of the hundreds, 3 of the thousands. We like to do something called the magic slide with our numeral cards, where we stack them up and then we slide them across to make that standard number. They'll get all the quantity for it. So they'll get out 3,460, 246, yep, and 2 units.